Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Tuesday, August 16th, 2022. The time is 9:26, and I hit oil and the ES a little while ago. I'll show you where I got this just a few minutes before I started. Right there, a little up move. And I am now going to do something I normally don't do, and I'm going to only go short. Wait, let's do both, but I think the short should work. It's got to break that level right there. Come on. See if it does another short. All right, come on.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Now let's get a movement here. We're kind of in a sideways action, it looks like, but see if it breaks down here. It caught it early.
Order canceled.
Just like that. Let's see if we can ride this down. All right, 56. Let's see some 55s, lows. Yeah, you see how it break the low? This one was just, like I said, a small, short, and it long, and it caught it beautifully. This was a hard runner. That one had fought for it. That's why I just don't feel like playing with it. I'm already up, so ooh, it's coming back. Okay. Pushing down more 50s, 49s. Let's see, 49s. Ooh, yeah, popped. 48s, 46, 45s. Let's see some 45s. Nope.
Order canceled.
So let's wait. See what the grand total is. 4,143. Pretty sure that's... Yeah, 3,637. Oil was a break-even deal. That was a hard-fought one. Yeah, it makes money. I made money on it. About 200 bucks. Not every day is going to be stellar. This one is the one that was, that was 122, so I made about 1800 on that. That I can live with, especially since it's coming into the reversal time right now. All right. Well, I got some chores I got to get done and some other stuff. So I will keep making the videos. Thank you for watching.